Is your Honda Accord backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Statistically, most camera issues stem from simple wiring or software glitches rather than a dead camera unit. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to find your specific failure point. Start by cleaning the lens and checking your infotainment settings before performing a hard battery reset. If those fail, look for frayed wires in the trunk harness or a simple blown fuse. More advanced issues often involve internal moisture in the camera or a failing head unit module. You can handle simple resets yourself, but complex harness repairs are often best left to a professional. Repair costs vary wildly from a $10 fuse to several hundred for a full wiring harness replacement. If you have a multimeter, verify the voltage at the camera pins to isolate the break. Make sure you have trim tools and a multimeter ready before pulling apart your interior panels. Remember, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before messing with any vehicle wiring to prevent shorts. Check these steps and get your view back on track. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.